Welcome to my channel Ride with Patrick. Today I'm gonna try a fatbob 2017. I tried 2018, but I wanted to try a dyna because I can. So the thing is, I wanted to try it because I might have to change motorcycle in the future, and I needed something that could that wasn't harsh for my back, where I could sit and where I don't get much vibration in my whole body. So the thing is, I will first take a tour on the motorway just to check if just to check the vibration. I like the sitting position already. I mean, some people complain about the 2018 seat, and believe me, it's we are in Norway and it's November, and it's about 10 degrees outside, which is about 15 Fahrenheit, 50 Fahrenheit, excuse me. Nice 103C engine, a big twin. Well, and again, I forgot to do something with the mirrors. What an idiot. Well, it vibrates, yes, but it's not. It's nice. A nice type of vibration. It's not the type of vibration that you feel you're gonna get sick. If you know what I mean. You feel it. You feel the vibration in your hands and so on. But it's not. So the little minus are the vibration. You see it in the spile. I mean, it vibrates like a maniac. What the plus is, it's really torquey. I wouldn't think that it was that torquey. I mean, I tried 103, I tried 107, 110, 114, but this is quite interesting. But as I said, the seat is really nice. I mean, you feel stuck on the bike. I'm not that keen of the foot position. They're a little bit. I mean, I'm a shorty, and I feel that even though I don't have to change gear that much. But I don't know if you see, that's comfortable. I'm nearly on the tip of my toes, so to brake I have to move my feet, and it changes the comfort. So if it would be about, I would say, 5 centimeters back, that would help. I have to say if it's possible to do it, because I feel like a dancer now with it on the tip of my toes. Ooh. But I have to say, it's a wonderful machine. really nice and torquey, and the big fat wheel in front gives it such a stability on the road. And again, you know me, I'm gonna talk about how nimble it is, and it is nimble. It is quite nimble.